Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy Tablescape Challenge hosted by Secondhand Tracey and she wanted us to make a tablescape and to use lemons in it. So I decided I wanted to make a centerpiece that I would DIY and show you next and incorporate lemons in my decor. First, we're going to take our flowers, our basket that I added the foam and some moss, and add some of this beautiful buffalo check ribbon. And for that, we're going to hot glue it to our basket, like that, all around our basket. Just being careful because it gets hot and just tapping it around so it gets really nicely glued. We want this front part to be as tight as you can, like that, and then continue gluing until you have it all covered. I'm doing this so the front glues better and stays really tight, like so, and then I'm gonna get them loose again so you can see the ribbon. Now I'm gonna start adding my flowers. Those are from Walmart, and I'm gonna start adding blue flowers and using yellow flowers in between the blue ones. I'm gonna use 2 bunches of yellow flowers and 2 bunches of blue flowers. And like that, in between them, we're gonna add those yellow flowers to our centerpiece. Now we're gonna start doing the same thing with the other yellow and blue flowers. It's 1 yellow, 1 blue. That's the pattern we're doing here. And keep on adding them until you have everything covered. Now we go to the back part and add the yellow flowers we have left, like that. And we're going to start adding our white branches. Just like that. We continue adding our white branches. I'm going to add 2 of those to my arrangement. As you can see, I'm adding some more. And now I'm using some green leaves, also from Walmart, 97 cents. This greenery here and there. So we have some green too in our arrangement. And that one we're gonna use just 1. I'm adding some hot glue because that one was falling. And continue adding our greenery, like that. And now we're gonna continue playing with our arrangement and adding more white branches. This is the second one I told you I'm gonna use. Continue adding them like that to our arrangement, and you continue playing with them until you have them where you want them. This is how it looks. Now play, and that's it. And this is my table the centerpiece. I have my 2 topiaries, some lemons, and my centerpiece. This is how it's looking. So now I'm gonna add the plates and the chargers. Now I added my chargers on my plates, and now I'm gonna add my other plates and napkins. And this is how the table is looking. I just added those plates and napkins, and I made that napkins and napkin rings for the theme. This is a centerpiece with just DIY, my 2 topiaries, and my lemons. Let me get you a closer look so you can see this beauty. This is a centerpiece. Those are the topiaries. One of them is a little bald thanks to my son. And these are the plates. I just found these beautiful plates. These ones at the grocery store for $1, and they just tie in everything. Those are the rustic napkins I made, and a DIY napkin ring using lemon slices. And this is how it's looking. I just love how this looks. And in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Tracey for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how my table looks. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.